Most Americans think Italian food means giant plates of spaghetti, heavy sauces, and enough mozzarella to build a house. That's not real old-school Italian cooking. Some of the best Italian food is simple, cheap, and made by people who worked too hard to care about fancy presentation. Today, we're making Cacio e Pepe. 3 ingredients: pasta, pecorino romano cheese, black pepper. That's it. No cream. If someone adds cream, somewhere in Rome, a grandmother throws a wooden spoon. Cacio e pepe means cheese and pepper. This dish came from shepherds in central Italy, especially around Rome. These were working men. Long days, rough weather, moving sheep, and no time for complicated meals. They needed food that lasted. Dried pasta, aged pecorino cheese, black pepper. Simple ingredients that didn't spoil and gave enough energy to keep working. Blue-collar food. Worker food. The kind of meal built by people who didn't have time for nonsense. That's why I respect it, because the best things in life are simple. Faith, family, work ethic, good food. People complicate them. Start with a pot of water. Salt it like the sea, not a polite sprinkle. Aggressive. Your pasta needs seasoning because plain pasta has the personality of drywall. We're using spaghetti. Traditional. Let it cook. Now grab fresh black pepper. Not the old dust hiding in your cabinet. Fresh, cracked pepper. Toast it in a dry pan for about a minute. The smell should hit you hard. That means it's right. Now grate fresh pecorino romano. Not pre-shredded. Pre-shredded cheese is where hope goes to die. Save your pasta water. That starchy water is everything. It's liquid gold. Take your pasta straight into the pepper pan. Add a little pasta water. Now slowly add the pecorino while tossing. Not dumping, tossing. The cheese melts with the starchy water and creates a creamy sauce without cream. That's the magic. Simple ingredients, proper technique. That's life too. People keep looking for shortcuts. There aren't any. Just fundamentals done well. Faith, discipline, consistency. And apparently, cheese. Plate it. Extra pecorino on top. More black pepper. No parsley, no chicken, no shrimp. Respect the dish. Meals like this survived generations because they worked. They fed families. They brought people together. That's Cacio e Pepe. 3 ingredients, hundreds of years. Proof that simple done right beats complicated done badly every time.